Before you distribute your music with TuneCore, pause, because most musicians assume all digital distributors are the same. The surprising truth is that TuneCore is designed to maximize your earnings and control, but it comes with trade-offs you need to know. TuneCore is a digital music distribution platform that allows independent artists to release music to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and more. You won't believe what happens next when artists realize they keep 100% of their royalties, unlike some other distributors that take a percentage. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume publishing with TuneCore is free. In reality, TuneCore charges an annual fee per release or album, but this upfront cost ensures you retain full revenue from streams and sales. The setup process is straightforward. Upload your track, add artwork, fill in metadata, and choose the stores for distribution. TuneCore also offers optional services like publishing administration, sync licensing, and promotional tools to help you grow your audience. The downside is that smaller artists with limited budgets may feel the fees are high, and marketing is largely self-managed. You still need to promote your music actively to succeed. The surprising truth about TuneCore is that its model rewards artists who are serious about independence. Keeping full royalties and accessing global platforms can make a big difference over time, but only if you treat it as part of a larger marketing and fan-building strategy. If this honest review helped you decide whether TuneCore is right for your music, subscribe for more insights into the tools that help independent artists thrive.